Imagine coming to a smooth, effortless stop every single time, or finally silencing that annoying squeal from your brand new electric SUV. These aren't just minor conveniences, they're fundamental aspects of a premium driving experience. For some Tesla owners, these have been points of frustration. Now, Tesla is rolling out solutions that directly address both, with a new software update and a targeted service action. First up, Tesla is introducing a feature called comfort braking as part of its latest software update, version 2026.8. This isn't just a subtle tweak, it's designed to fundamentally change how your Tesla comes to a complete stop. The system utilizes advanced software to modulate the brakes in the final moments of deceleration, aiming to eliminate that subtle, often jerky lurch that can occur right before the vehicle settles. Reports suggest this feature is currently rolling out to refreshed Model Y vehicles equipped with dual master brake cylinders, promising a noticeably smoother and more refined stop-and-go experience. This move highlights Tesla's continuous effort to refine the driving experience through software, even for fundamental actions like braking. It's about making the ride more comfortable for occupants and potentially reducing wear on components by optimizing the braking process. It's a testament to how software can enhance mechanical systems in modern vehicles. But that's not the only significant development. For owners of certain 2025 and 2026 Model Y vehicles, particularly those built at Giga Berlin, a persistent issue of front brake noise has been a source of concern. This isn't just a minor squeak. Some owners have reported noticeable noise during low-speed braking. Tesla has now officially acknowledged this issue, issuing Service Bulletin SB 26-33-002. This service bulletin outlines a clear process for affected vehicles, a free replacement of the front brake rotors. This proactive step from Tesla aims to resolve the noise complaint directly, ensuring that owners can enjoy a quiet and confident braking experience. It's a critical move in addressing quality control concerns and maintaining customer satisfaction, especially for newer models. These two developments, while distinct, underscore a broader theme: Tesla's iterative approach to product improvement. Whether it's enhancing the driving feel through software or addressing manufacturing anomalies with targeted service actions, the company continues to evolve its vehicles post-sale. The comfort braking feature elevates the user experience, while the brake rotor replacement program demonstrates a commitment to resolving quality issues promptly. So, what do these updates mean for the overall ownership experience? Will comfort braking become a standard expectation across the EV industry? And how will Tesla's responsiveness to brake noise issues impact its reputation for quality control? If you want to stay ahead of the curve, understand the real impact of these tech shifts, and join a community that's always in the know about the future of automotive, then hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications is your next move. Don't just watch the future unfold, be part of the conversation.